Hello everyone, Shauna Gager here today to help you out with setting your blog up for success. I've ran across a few plugins for WordPress here that I think are very valuable to you. Some of them I'm using now, some of them I'm going to get set up right now, right alongside with you today. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. With plugins, the first thing you'll need to do is go to your dashboard in your WordPress, and you're going to select Plugins, Add New. So let's go ahead and do that. And the first plugin that we're going to search for today is called Thank Me Later. The really cool thing about Thank Me Later is this plugin sends an email to all of your first-time visitors. The cool thing is you also get to write this email so you can remind them to sign up for your RSS feed or simply connect with them personally. So here it is, Thank Me Later. We're going to go ahead and click Install Now. All right, am I sure I want to install this plugin? Well, of course I do. So we're going to say OK. There it is downloading. Next thing we are going to do is click the Activate Plugin button. This is really a cool way to build genuine personal relationship. Also, this plugin is highly configurable. It allows you to create multiple email messages and send the message after a predefined amount of time, making messages appear a bit more unique and people-friendly. So let's see here. We've already activated that. So next thing we would want to do is go to Settings and find that plugin, Thank Me Later, and we would want to configure our messages. So it'll just take a few minutes to read how to do that. It's very, very simple, and you'll want to click Update once you get it all updated how you want it, and then you will be all set. So very cool one. Again, it's called Thank Me Later. So our second one we're going to install today is called Backtype Tweet Count. So back to the plugins, Add New. We'll do a search for it. Backtype Tweet Count. Okay, did I spell that right? Probably not. Backtype Tweet Count. Okay, there we go. So there it is, Backtype Tweet Count. Going to click Install Now and click OK. Now this plugin replaces the TweetMeme, I guess everybody calls it something a little bit different, tweet counter badge. It also shows the number of times your blog posts have been linked to on Twitter. And the cool thing is that when your visitor wants to tweet a blog post, nothing needs to authorize, no program actually accesses the Twitter. It just automatically does it. It's super, super simple. So I think you will find that more people are going to retweet your blog posting using the Backtype Tweet Count. All right, we're going to activate this plugin. Okay. This one plugin is also highly customizable. You can specify what text you'd like to use for the retweets, the color, size, and location of the button. You configure the plugin through Settings, just as we did the last. Settings, Backtype Tweet Count. And as you can see right here, this is where you would configure the options for this plugin. Now, one thing you should know, currently this plugin tracks your tweets for your posts up to approximately 3 months, which is longer than many of the other plugins out there. Okay, so you'll just want to configure this how you would like it and save your changes. And at that point, we will go ahead and move on to the next plugin. Again, we will go to Plugins, Add New. The next one we're going to add is called WP Touch iPhone Theme. Okay, so it is this first one here that you see that's called WP Touch. Going to click Install Now. Click OK, and as we all know, iPhones and iPads are the way of the world, and it is very important that the users of these can also see your content. So this is really a super neat plugin. Your website is completely transformed when a mobile user visits your blog and makes it easier on the eyes. I can show you a screenshot of this here in just a moment. It's very, very neat. So we're going to scroll down here to WP Touch, and we are going to go to the settings, and we'll want to set it all up here. Now I haven't really taken the time yet here to figure out which settings I wanted to use, but again, it is very cool. I wanted to show you the settings here on this one, the screenshot. A screenshot, and so when your visitors using the iPhone or an iPad go to your blog, this is the type of layout that we'll see. Obviously much easier to view on an iPad or an iTouch than the regular blog format. So again, you can customize appearance, deliver a fast, user-friendly, and stylish version of your site to the iPhone, iPod, Android, Palm, Samsung Touch, and BlackBerry. Super, super neat plug-in here that I think we all need to have to accommodate these users. So the next plugin we are going to take a look at, again, we are going to go to Plugins, Add New. This is the last but certainly not the least that we are going to add today. I've actually already added it to my blog, Comment Love. So it's Comment Love, and as I've already said, I have installed this. You would do the same thing that you've done with the other plugins. Click Install Now. And the really, really neat thing about this plugin is it encourages your visitors to comment on your post. So while when they're making a comment, their blog is actually being accessed, and once the comment is made, they have the ability to click on which of their recent blog posts that they would like to be listed at the bottom of their comment. So it encourages them to, of course, leave a comment, because then there is that backlink that is going to lead back to their article on their blog. So it has been found to increase the comments and community spirit for thousands of blogs that have installed it. It's also a really neat way for people to start finding new and interesting blog posts, tweets, and digs from blogs and communities there. So definitely take advantage of this one. Again, this is another one that you'll want to check out the details screen and check out the installation screen here and read just a little bit. It is very simple. Screenshots here will guide you how you'd like, probably the best way to set up your settings there for Comment Love. So just click on the screenshots there and you'll see the setup there. Now, as far as the info panel background color, I actually like to keep mine as white, but everything else here, I just use their settings. But you can choose the badge that you would like to be displayed there at the bottom of the post on your blog. So super, super cool plugins that everyone should now be using on their blogs. And of course, I would appreciate it if you would like to share this information with any of your friends or fellow bloggers. All you need to do is retweet or click the Facebook button. And thanks again, everyone. You have a great day.